guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a bag full of product empties to share with you all. So if this is your first time watching product empties video, then used up that I've finished using in the past couple of months. I do have more than 10 products, but I promise I'm gonna keep this short, and I'm not gonna be talking much about the product because then again it's gonna be a very long video and I don't want to bore you all. So having said that, I will be giving very mini reviews about each and every product. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna randomly start picking up products and start showing you. So the first product I have in here, Himalaya Moisturizing Aloe Vera Face Wash. I've shown this in my skincare video as well. If you've not watched that video, go give it a watch. I'm gonna link it down below. So I've used this completely. I think there's barely anything left. However, I'm gonna finish up everything that's left, and yeah, I just thought I'd show you because it's almost over. This is again a great face wash, very affordable. I think it is for 120 rupees for 100 ml, and I think this is a really nice face wash, especially if you have dry skin, because this has a cream texture and it does not dry out your face. It's great for people who are under a budget, teenagers, basically for people who want to invest in a very expensive face wash. This is gonna be for you. Am I gonna buy it again? Definitely not now, because I do face washes with me right now and they are working great as well. So maybe in the future. Since we are talking about skincare, the next product that I have for you is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It is with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So the ingredients in this moisturizer is so good. Hyaluronic acid is again great for dry skin. I've used completely and I love it so much. I'm gonna definitely repurchase this. This is such a beautiful product. I cannot stop talking about this. So this is the Super Light Gel. It is great for oily skin, great for dry skin. Basically it's great for all skin types. So I finished this a while back, a few months back, and I already got another one. This is the same Pond's ka, but this is the light moisturizer. This is not the gel one. I bought this because it was winters and I needed more hydration. So this has a very thick texture. As you can see, it has a very thick texture. It's almost like whipped cream. Smells amazing, does the job. Very affordable again. However, I'm definitely going to repurchase this in the summers. The next product that I'm going to show you is again a moisturizer. So this is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Now this is a little bit expensive. I would say the price is not mentioned here again. Oily skin girls, stay away from this because this is very hydrating. It's great for dry and sensitive skin, and you can also use this on your body, so it is both for your face and your body. It's completely empty. I finished this up. Okay, so since we are talking about skincare products, I do have a face mist to show you all. The one is from Miniso. This is the Miniso Aloe Mist. I got this a while ago and I've completely finished using this. Very affordable, great for daily use. So if you're looking for a face mist, check out the Miniso one. Product that I'm going to show you again, I do not have it with me right now, but I finished this months ago, and this is the Garnier Micellar Water. This is in the yellow variant, and do not have to talk much about this product. Beautiful micellar, removes every bit of your makeup, waterproof makeup, be it your waterproof makeup, be it your daily makeup. Will I repurchase it? Definitely. I have already repurchased this micellar water and I have been using this and I finished this much. Before we move on to makeup, I do have two hair care products that I have to show you. The first is this Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution Total Damage Care Conditioner. This is how it looks like, and as you can see, I finished it up completely. I already have a backup of this and I'm using that already. So this is a great conditioner. I've used a lot of conditioners, and in the affordable range, this is a great one. It worked great for my hair, and out of all the conditioners I've used, this one has worked really well for me. So that with all of that being said, again, skincare and hair care are something that is very very subjective. So I will recommend you to first try it for yourself and then be the judge of what you think. Next hair care product that I have is this hair serum, which is the Streaks hair serum with walnut oil. I bought this because I saw a lot of people raving about this. I've used this, as you can see. I just have a little bit of left. So, this is for 210 rupees for 100 ml, quite affordable. This product is not that great. Again, this is a okay product. Will I buy it again? I don't think so. So yeah, that's Color Show Glitter Mania nail paint in all that glitters. This is what it looks like. I've not finished this up completely. I still have some left, but it's almost dried up. It is a good nail paint. I mean, one thing I will say is that it is very 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 hard to get rid of. Once you apply it, it really chips, but if you want to remove it, it's going to be very hard. So keep that in mind. So yeah, moving on to makeup products. First I'm going to be talking about the Fit Me foundation. So I bought it a while back and I'm completely over it, and I already bought another one, so I definitely repurchased it and I'm using it because it's not for normal to oily skin, but any skin type can use this if you moisturize well. So if you have dry skin, definitely moisturize very very well for using this foundation. It is very very affordable. This is for 300 rupees. You can even go for the tube one, which is I guess for 400-500 rupees. So I don't need to say much about this foundation. If you know, you know. So yeah, I have one mascara that I've been used. That was my first ever mascara that I used. Mascara that I want to share, the Maybelline Hypercool mascara, and it is really affordable, really really good for beginners. It's not gonna give you that crazy volume and length, and it is also very easy to get rid of. So yeah, I just want to throw that in here. If you've been watching my videos, you've seen me use this and talk about this. So this is the LA Girls Pro Concealer. So good. It's definitely on the pricier side. I'm in the shade creamy beige, and if you are willing to invest a little bit more on a concealer, get this one. You will not regret it, I promise. Am I gonna repurchase it? Definitely. Okay, the last product that I have with me is a lipstick. This is the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 20 Coco Amo. Yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but this is a lipstick that I've used up. It is dried up. So yeah, talking about this lipstick, it is great. It's not very expensive for a lipstick. It has great color payoff, great pigmentation, great staying quality again. But the one thing that I don't like about this lipstick is that it is very very drying. If you happen to have very dry lips, chapped lips, do not use this lipstick on its own. Make sure to apply a very thick layer of lip balm underneath, and then go ahead with this one because it is going to dry out your lips. So if you do not like liquid lipsticks which are very drying, stay away from this. Other than that, it is a great lipstick, has beautiful shades. So yeah, this is the last product that I had to show you all. And yeah guys, that is it. That is all I had to share with you. I hope this video isn't too long, and I hope this was helpful, and if it was, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, that is it. I'm going to see you very very soon in my next video now. Bye.